Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to hide your WordPress site from the public in just a few minutes. Whether you're still working on your site, making major updates, or just not ready to go live yet, this quick 2025 guide will help you keep your website private until you're ready to launch. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. On the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click it and sign into your account. If you prefer, you can also use the Continue with Google option for faster access. Once you're logged in, head over to your Watch dashboard. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the visibility and privacy options for your site. Now, under your site settings, look for the section called Manage Site. Inside this section, you'll find a very useful option labeled Coming Soon. This feature allows you to hide your entire site from the public and instead display a simple placeholder page. That way, visitors won't see your unfinished content. They'll just see a professional Coming Soon page. To activate it, simply select the Coming Soon option. Then, don't forget to click Save to make sure your changes take effect immediately. From this point on, anyone visiting your site will only see the placeholder page while you and your logged in team members can continue working behind the scenes. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully hidden your WordPress site from the public. This method is perfect if you're still designing, testing features, or just need a little more time before showing the world your website. Before we wrap up, remember, you can turn off the Coming Soon mode anytime once you're ready to go live. Just return to the same settings area, disable it, and your site will be visible again. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover more site privacy tricks. See you in the next video.